Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paulette, and today we are in my kitchen. I'll just show you my chicken and broccoli dish. It's very nutritious, very easy, everybody has it. Times are going to start getting busier and busier as we get closer to the holidays, and I just want to show you something that's simple and delicious that you can prepare quickly and feel good about, that you know that you're doing something good for your body. Okay, let's get started.